The new One UI 5 watch beta has a surprising new feature that allows users to switch phones without needing to wipe their smartwatches. This feature was first spotted by 9to5 Google in the changelog of the One UI 5 watch beta, which is based on wearables 4. According to this, you will be able to transfer your watch without resetting. The feature can be found in the Galaxy Wearable app general settings for the smartwatch and will let you switch devices but keep your apps, watch faces or more. On eligible watches like Galaxy Watch 5, you will find the option transfer watch to a new phone, which is changed from the previous connected new phone option. It'll ask you to verify the Google account on both the phones. It's very promising to know that this feature is coming. Changing phones has been a long pain unit of the Wear OS platform, because you will have to factory reset your watch all the time, and this might be exclusive only to Galaxy watches or might come with Wear OS 4 smartwatches. As you know, it will only come on the Wear OS 4 will first be launched on the Pixel watch and on the Galaxy watch, while Mobile Fossil will get a 1 year later. The One UI 5 watch beta is available. You will get an app drawer folder, new universal gesture, a slightly revamped watch face selector and more. The stable update is expected to be launched along with the Galaxy Watch 6 series.